in kaun kuwa kujong dilagi. Wita kalor ben pamote bagol ges abona mayom Toliai, Minister of Land, Housing and Public Utilities in Jamhuri State. Chief guest mading Achol Dengalia Kamunyankay Monyalwel Bol Mayol. Patron of the day, Engineer Jacob Chol Garangrao. Community leaders in their various capacity. To proceed with, Tai Makor, Orchaban from Numuli. My brother, Chairman Ayuen Chairman of Pathuyith Youth Association in Numuli. The Lord, my brother, former Chairperson of Pathuyith Youth Association in Bor, Kuol Tinlet. The Lord, and my great Chairperson of Pathuyith Youth Association in Juba, Advocate John Yang Atina Akuei. My counterpart from Bor, Deputy Chairperson Ajakguong Mayel, when is representing Clan Court, when you see Agok Youth, Uncle Sudan Youth, you are welcome. Great heroes of our land, generals of Pathuyith community, honorables of this great land, which are Lord, going to be ready to wait. It is an honor for God to him for the second chance. Young Arrington is there, a great honorable Senator Mabir Langdeng, General Mabir Roar, General Yolakau, Uncle Deralo, Simon Ayuen Kiramai, General Denquart. Koi the Vian and convention will go on. I very important to me in one way or another. Final person were recognized. I will never watch. Joel Puor from my young way. When I night and walk, and my special friend, Agok Madul, Panto Lenga Jang, Randi the Red, Arun, but we came and met in the middle. Professor Ustaz Yopalwelakwe and the senior members, the community time Tindana, we Chakabuku one by one, Taman Accord. Again, Abuna, Namukul Chirikul and walk down a young Alier, Senior Council Advocate John Olalier. Thank you so much, Akuei Alphayo Bior, for the last 2 years. And kind of my family here, I can't be done in front, we are brief. In Manakwil, in Managot, my mama can you call her Akuei Alphayo Bior, Ayuen Garang Puor, come in front, I can. Who want to talk down very shortly. We go Runwar Chila Pero and Chago, Bachabe, Bachabab, Badilngor, Damantanangor, Nagati to go permission. Ukati Ganaga Chukaleu, Ganaga Bugatan. Can you get my family again? Akar, but when you Can my mother in getting Alphayo, led Ayuen Bior. Akuei Bior Anyieth in Kekai, my mother. And this is my first daughter. Kajala man, 1 month. Akuei Bior Anyieth. So Gayen, my elder brother, following Maulana Konbir. Okay, Ayuen. I name him. I told Senator Ayuen. So I tell Ayuen Bior. To my right, you get the first love of my life. I told you what to call. You get man, a mitka, and I'm going ladies and colleague might be on the way of the arrangement for makeups and all that. But the man of God will be telling it. Yen will call for my late Chataman Rotanga. The only credit I can have for my family before this great gathering. Now, command goal is that I promise is to go on. Number one, the children work with 2 students Akuei sponsored Don Bosco Vocational Training College. What applications are to go Garvey, but at the end, I'm going to be you. That one person, a very, very intelligent gentleman, a good open children, right now, by this coming year, in the mid of September, kuna celebrated yen auto mechanic engineer, another walk. One of the things to this association to do work. Administration, Ayuen Garang Puor, and work. Number one, it was on ping. In Agok, it was an empty land. 20/2, 20/25. Secondly, it was in war. 1,741 US dollars, which is 750,000 pounds. Kakake work, but we never began anywhere. What we are picking up from that foundation until now, my great team, till we can end. My great people. Ayuen Kuol, Rantung Tuing a cake, Maulana, John, Akuei, my former deputy chairperson, the committee, Ajakguong. He has stood with me, my deputy. Now, I relieved the Nanga Lego coin by Pathuyith, and the current chairperson. The Pathuyith Youth Association in Juba today. I'm proud of him. He's a great man. Secondly, we were to converted with Number one, 1,741 US dollars. I took them with Ajakguong. We want some small agendas. Watch the program. The Agok Youth Empowerment Fund. Many of you, we're not great supporters and partners of the association. I took up increased to $17,000, 321. Because along with some kind of fundraising, quite event from work, they had their pledges. I After $3,900 KK pending. Work one of which $13,021. A catch to transfer to the incoming to the current government is just one now. But if you don't have cake, $10,021. 3,000 children come for expenses of this inauguration today. Secondly, on behalf of my team, pounds, 750,000. I took up increased to 12,828,000. Out of that money, cash you transacted to this current government. When you are going on Tina, 7,828,000. With Kinben, 5 million. And kitchen getting away, we understand, but South Sudan is not helping anybody. In a general area, otherwise, but we still pray for a hopeful Kakaluban. Yumuchulo Pinagog, Chen Wabenda was an initiative. What did he make to become? He might to become what in project of teak tree plantation. 1,008 teak trees I took become. After you were 2, kunai after 4 years, Kabaka killed them, Kabaka coin. I think I was secure. Kuna Labaile Path, keeping a good day to return to a better place than we are plantation farm. Ayuen Garang Abaga Palago, because the man Kuor, Wagake a report Suloy. But I'm bringing these highlights. Bakini, we go our walk in Kakontoke, Kaliuka. At our capacity, we are to Galubaka. Reason I'm going to get Yak, explain, then we get at the end of the pay, but they can generally pay for them. And it's only a Julia. Now go get to the Pathuyith. Why generally awarded? Why generally Louis Pathuyith came one. Go awarded position, then I was here. And the Jamburella, and then go beyond Louis. It's our prayers because our mentor who deal bunch of until the national level. Kene, Lebaton, the incoming chairperson, Louis Chamayom, my mentor, and John Uncle Roy Keka. In kind of a guest of honor, Wobble, the Runic here, the mutual leadership tabak. Not also college, that would have been 2 PhDs and 1 master's. But the Agok Association community, live here under the Ajakguong. Thank you, Honorable. Secondly, Kamading I told them earlier. Mading it not until Ben Bang the Kuor. Rantabino then Ayuen Garang Puor. Here I'll be. Mading to your work, quite a witness in so many things. We are here to work today with Agok Youth Association along a great hand. So my brother, he's a family man, we need to band the Queen to Loy and Kaira Chigam. We to come. In a loyal Moindu, a Louis Pandon, Waliko Pandon, Kulaloy Pando. Engineer Jacob Ganamero, I told Penny take a Davi or land. The Kumarik in the sectional leadership. The Pathuyith lawyer will get them. Where I am Chiringo, a lawyer. I would say in the future, I am a jolly. We'll get them my I think we'll get one Pathuyith. I can't witness it on me, but I'm very hopeful. The late council young active and why not? Young can walk any. We tell Nakuma. You may be the secretary next or a minister, whatever position I think to take. Run. Now, corporate. The Kina corporate, so I have to say, Agok, a dear advice, especially on financial advice. Would you last support Kairagam? We're going for sectional leaders, you generate a human. Kukali balue and it all Bulanyang in absentia, Kujang Kolanyang, Yang Kuol to pay. A very, very, very strong gentleman. While you have younger and a great asset to you, but don't put it and get the number going by. Ranijam, Ukelu is a leader. Kero, Molana, Akuei Alphayo, another great man. What do we want to so very much? A former deputy chairperson, Manyangawo. Hey, Warren in Tioka, the chairperson. Kujalon den chairperson, Yang Nyara Red Town, Miss of Great Corporation. Kero, Konasen Yolo, Emery, I take the ta, Kulu Kaloi. So Nana Gagata, Kubaka Quantum, Kubaka Alloy, Ayuen Kuol. We will do them so diligently. There, Ayuen Ichola, Ajakguong Ayuen. Che doctor, Kunana can deal like in the time. What God in Galani, Yan Colleague, Yan College, Yan Commoding, Jaladal, Ayuen Majango. Council Young Atit, you are blessed to have great leaders from the sections. Uka Koiri Red, Kajina Lake, Blazwar, Katri and not Yang Payam. Koi Kaji in the lay down. My only thing Kabalati, I really miss your programs. In one single program, labor report, get a bay Agok, Pathuyith, Kuluku decline. Your programs are on pending. Kuna Kate Loike Kanto, I would have given you my 100% full support. Kene, Lula Lina Ayuen Kuol. Can John Young did not take a permission. He did not promise them out of blue. The foundation I go with the government. Let us not let him down. Our community Agok Youth Pathuyith at large. And I want to add young, the eye speedy with programs of Yerko. Yerko Godo, Katawichin. One on Gunwam, one on Gudin. But we run shortage of songs because I think Agok will support you on that. I long when you are going to even keep pressing. Whether below at once, can I prioritize? Kaya we are Gilgabai, you prioritize going to buy, who can I say now around and by Yenagolo, take a promise one, take a fulfill. Finally, Ranichola Mayanang Ju Katarna. One of the founding fathers of this great association, the Agok Community Youth Association. Mayanangao, one of the strong people. Duties were going to resume them now. Chain I can't know it, the title is removed. But all your efforts are called okay, and we are demanding them now. Ayuen Garang Puor, one of the greatest men, my brother, who became my colleagues in life. Ayuen, kunangi all credit. Agok, kunangi kunangi di yeran ke agok. Gogi na Akuei Bior, yen ki yen. Number one, nakin wo kon bay, uken pin kon hoy. Hey, chatim kon kwe chawu kon It was an idea from him. To the other bite out of practically recommended work. That's a cool to put out in Bukak Kwan. Why I think and I said disadvantage. Finally, we were to the law. One of the recommendation from here. We were working work securing so many devices. And it's all John Bola, they were going away, Pathuyith, way pan board. Now we will work something very important. Example, wake, who come here? It's all premier advocate. In free legal services. Until Agok Youth Association believe, or unless believe. So, pony. What matter it? Kunana ki contract of 1 million. Catch 10% or 20% your. Ube great loss come young Pierre Titina go Pathuyith. Can I credit? Kartuba bill a debt that we need to pay back. We have great lawyers of our land. Could they have never one time thought of giving back to the community? It's a great challenge to all the lawyers. But Agok community, we are not lacking lawyers. But in the areas of the expertise, we cannot help from nowhere. So in Maulana, in a family man, with the age, now, we work out to manage. I'm giving a recommendation. It's not an order, developing, fine. Developing, there is a go. If you get them alone, we'll wait. We want cake. You are going to block chair, wheelchair. Wait a go I'm coming. Wait a go and don't be like the Gavata can wait. Don't be like the constitution. Get a go.